Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel, where I break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite shopping sites. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to use your Hello Molly store credit in 2025. If you've got some credit burning a hole in your account, maybe from a return, a promo, or a gift, this quick guide will have you shopping in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Hello Molly account. Head over to the Hello Molly website or app and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and free. Once you're in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the My Account or Profile section, usually in the top right corner. Next, find your store credit. In the dashboard, scroll down to the Rewards or Credits tab. Here, you should see your available balance clearly displayed. Take a moment to note how much you have. It might be good for that cute dress you've been eyeing. Now, for the fun part: shopping. Browse the site and add items to your cart just like you normally would. When you're ready to check out, go to your cart and click on the checkout button. On the payment page, look for a section labeled Apply Credits or Gift Cards. Enter your store credit code if prompted, or simply select the option to use your available credit. Hello Molly might automatically apply it, but double-check to ensure the total reflects the deduction. One quick tip: if your credit doesn't cover the full amount, you'll need to add a payment method for the rest. Also, keep in mind that store credits might have expiration dates or restrictions, especially in 2025, so use them wisely. And there you have it. That's how you make the most of your Hello Molly store credit. It's a breeze once you know the steps, and it can save you a ton on your next haul. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. See you in the next one.